Say hi, Lightning. I have a heart murmur, but I have an enlarged heart, and it's a bad heart murmur. But I'm doing okay, but might be going. But I want to say I love you to everybody, and that I miss you, and everything is gonna be okay, because I'm gonna go to heaven. And I love you, Mommy and Daddy and Katie. And I love you, Daddy Mikey. So, and everybody else in the world. I'm very friendly and outgoing and very special. Yes, you are, Lightning. Say I love you, everybody. Say I love you. Say I love you.